Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know, I get straight to the point. Working on a Toyota Sienna. Customer needs their belt tightened up. Every time they start it up, it squeaks all over the place because the belt was actually extremely loose. In order to tighten up this belt, there is, let's see, top bolt. Bottom bolt will be a 14, and top bolt will be a 13. One bolt is sitting right there. It's hard to see, but here's the alternator. Follow my finger. Top bolt and bottom bolt is sitting right there where my finger is at. Let me see if I can get a little close up to it. I'm doing it one hand, so it's kind of hard. All right, there is the other bolt that's sitting right there. Once you have those two loose, you will take yourself nice 13 long, put it right here on the tensioner, which is right there. That's the tensioner bolt right there. You see my finger pointing to it. Take yourself a ratchet, tighten it up, tighten right up. Then all you have to do is take the two bolts that you loosen up and tighten right up. And now you have the serpentine belt the way it's supposed to be. If it's too loose, it'll squeak all over the place. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.